What's up? First and foremost, I want to say thank you for 100 subscribers. It means a lot. Today we are going to be installing a Mighty Mouse oil catch can. And yeah, I'm going to be putting on the head mount. Let me know how y'all like that. And yeah. Just grabbing fuel tools. Gonna head up there now. Mighty Mouse catch can. First thing we gotta do is remove the battery. I hope y'all can see everything. Not remove the battery, but just remove the negative. So there's not a complete circuit or no power going to the engine because I'm about to remove the ground. You're gonna want to put those bolts on the bracket already, just like this. And this will go right here on your head. So bolt, bracket, then ground. And this bolt goes right here. And these are 17 mil. Yeah, I haven't thought about what to do for 100 subscribers yet. Might do a burnout or something. We do got a dyno day coming up soon, so that should be fun. If it goes like this, would it go like, I think it goes like this. That's how she's supposed to sit. Looks like fairly clear. It looks very good though. I'll put this bolt on and then I'm gonna figure out the hoses. I just hope this camera is actually filming, because then that just means this whole video is a waste. That looks good. Make sure this is closed. Alright, I'll be back whenever I figure out the hoses. Alright, so we're back. Okay, so shout out to my boy Logan. His Instagram is .gto. He sent me a video on how to route his hoses. Cause I've seen a lot of different videos and a lot of them seem a little more complicated, but this seems pretty straightforward. Y'all let me know what y'all want me to do for 100 subscribers, because at the moment we're at 105 and that is crazy to me. I will eventually get a adjustable wrench and get that on there. I believe this one was on this side. Basically this will be going into here, and this one would be going into the valley cover under. It'll basically just be replacing this U right here. I wonder if I can just yank this off, or do I have to go get a flathead? I think I have to go get a flathead. We're back. I already went ahead and took it off. Basically this goes from your intake cover to your intake manifold to your valley cover. Basically just replacing this little hose. We are going to go from this one to that, and then here to the valley cover. You do want to measure out your hose before putting it on. Let's say like So it has to curve down. Or I'm gonna go with right here. There's my dikes at right here. If you have something better to cut this with, definitely do it, but I don't, so I'm gonna just use dikes. Try to get as straight as you can. Kind of just shove the holes in there. Honestly, I think I'm gonna take it off. And put the holes on first. If you're able to get to this, then I don't know, you must be strong as shit. Make sure not to cross thread these and not to over tighten them. So I've dealt with that before. I think I'm gonna cut this like right. Then again, there's a lot of ways you can mount this or route this, but this is just the way I'm gonna route mine. That fell down there, but it's fine. That looks fine. I don't think that'll be slipping out of there, so I think that's fine. And then this one. So yeah, I'm gonna just come back, tying these hoses up. Well, tying these up with adjustable wrenches, and put my battery rack on, and I'm done. Honestly, really good quality. A little pricey, but really good quality if you're looking for a catch cam for your airless motor. Make sure this thing is closed. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It's the valve. When it's out, it's closed. When it's in, it's open, or you will spill everything onto your headers. Yeah, as you can see, car's been sitting for a minute, but hopefully she'll come out soon after she gets dyno tuned later this month. Filthy. Yep. So we're back. We're all done here. Battery's on, catch can is on. Just tying these up with the adjustable wrench. Doesn't look bad. Y'all let me know what y'all think, and let me know if I did this right, because I am by no means a mechanic. I just prefer to do things on my own. So I'll probably put a clamp here just because I don't really trust that. But yeah, appreciate for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. We do have a dyno day coming up. Peace.